for this?
Hello everybody, welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today, we're going to discuss a little bit about turbos. There's a lot of great ones on the market out there, but today we want to talk about the no limit turbochargers. No Limit has turbochargers for 6.0s, Duramaxes, and primarily the biggest one that they really talk about, and we talk about and we use and we sell a lot of is the 6.7 Powerstroke platform. 11 to 14s, we all know the 11 to 14 6.7 Powerstroke, as awesome as it was, had some flaws. One of them being the turbocharger, that dual compressor plane wheel that makes it sound like Ric Flair, as everybody says. You know what? As cool as it sounds, the turbo is a pile of junk. Okay, so, or the cabin chassis turbos on the 6.7s, they're junk as well. Realistically, that's one of the biggest things you have to upgrade on a 6.7 Powerstroke, an early one, is the turbocharger. That being said, later years, if you just want an upgraded one, I say take a look at the no limit ones, okay? So this is a polished one, it's for display purposes, but you have a couple different sizes. You've got a stage 0, is basically a 5962, I think it is. Then we have a stage 1, 62, and then a stage 3, 64 is what it's called. You can find them all on blessedperformance.com. We have the whistle and non-whistle version. What's the difference? Well, the whistle is going to sound more like your 6.0 Powerstroke, okay? Whistle sounds amazing, but the truth is it can be a little bit laggy, okay? So you have to think about it. Which one's going to be best for towing? Well, truly, the best for towing is the non-whistle version. Now, if you know how to use that little fancy button on your 6.7 Powerstroke that allows you to control your gears, you can run a whistle turbo all day long while towing. You just need to keep the RPMs nice and high because it keeps the turbos cool. The reason that it is a little bit more laggy is just the design in the turbine side back here, okay? So the whistle version is designed differently. Not going to go into the full specs about it, okay? Don't want to make a 45-minute long video, but it is designed differently than the standard turbine house or the standard turbine wheel, and that's what makes it laggy. They sound amazing. With good tuning, your choice of tuning, you can make it get rid of the majority of that lag, but you're always going to have a little bit of lag going to a whistle version. It's kind of just the standard when it comes to a 9-10 blade turbo, especially on a 6.7 Powerstroke, okay? That being said, we have the drop-in version, so like it is literally, the kit shows up and you can pull your classic 11 to 14 turbo, put it on the shelf for display purposes only, and drop in this kit. It'll bolt right up to your OEM up pipes. And it comes with everything to change to the compressor side to get rid of that dual plane compressor wheel as well. Kits start around $2,800 bucks, I want to say. I mean, it's a really good price, good budget price to get you into an upgraded turbo for your 11 to 14. And you can get a couple different sizes. Stage 0 is what I recommend for towing or a work truck. Stage 1 is for a little bit of street play with a little bit of towing behind it, okay? Stage 2, the 64, 67, really that's where you're going to start stepping up to your bigger injectors and more of a hot street truck is what you're going to be shooting for. If you got any questions about these, feel free to give us a call, 1-800-577-2698. We got a team here that we would love to talk with you. Turbos, we love turbos. Turbos are fun. They sound cool. And if you're looking for an upgraded turbo for your 6.7 Powerstroke or your L5P or LML or your 6.0 Powerstroke, I definitely say take a look at the No Limit turbochargers. They are a phenomenal turbo. No Limit's been around in the industry for many, many moons. One of our favorite partners to work with. Great guys over there. We love their products. And we can also pair this with a piping kit, powder coated to match your truck as well if you wanted to go that route. We stock these. They're in stock, ready to ship. We got all different sizes ready to ship. Oh, you know what? I wanted to cover one other thing, No Limit Precision turbochargers. Now, I don't have one here. Unfortunately, I don't have it here right now. I didn't get here in time for me to make this video. Now, the Precision turbocharger, that is a non-VGT turbocharger. Let me make that loud and clear. It's a precision-based turbocharger designed with No Limit to really wake up that 6.7 Powerstroke as well. It's a dual ball bearing charger, so it spools like that. One time, gosh, a couple of years ago, we were at a truck fest somewhere in Tennessee, I think it was Music City, and we had this truck built by the boys down at Upcountry Fab. They had one of their guys come out with this truck, and we put it on the dyno. I want to say it made right around 750 stock fuel. I don't know the tuning or anything like that, but they had No Limit Precision 66 in the valley. Made around 750 stock fuel, then we sprayed it and made 989. It won the dyno competition for that weekend, and I will tell you, I loaded that truck hard. And that big old 66 dual ball bearing lit and took off. Didn't even care. I had that thing loaded at what I normally put a 1,500 horsepower truck loaded at for the load on the dyno. That's normally where I set it. I had that thing loaded at that, and it pulled right through it and didn't even care and pulled off and took off and made 750 horsepower, fuel only, stock fuel. That was probably one of the first times that I got to be involved in a precision charger, actually dynoing it and watching it do its thing. And I got to be honest, I was blown away. Since then, you know, we've built a great relationship with No Limit. We've sold a lot of these drop-ins for the 11 to 14 trucks and then the 15 plus as well. And I've had so many happy customers with this turbocharger, local, non-local. It's very easy to install. It's a quick upgraded kit for under $3,000 to get rid of that junk 11 to 14 turbocharger. Give us a call if you want to talk about stages, what's going to work best for you, stage 0, 1, 2, or 3. Give us a holler, 1-800-577-2698. We'd be glad to chat with you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Without you guys, we don't get to have fun with turbochargers. So we appreciate that. And we'll see you at the 2026 Dyno Tour. Better see you there. Hopefully we're dynoing one of these. And then we can shoot it with some nitrous and have some fun. Thank you again, guys. Have a blessed day.